Hello, I am Ricardo Pena.
And I am Daniel Sanchez.
And our project is Resistor-Thermistor voltage divider circuit. So what does the Resistor-Thermistor do? What it does is that it changes the resistance based on the variability of the temperature on the resistor-thermistor. Going on, using the thermistor and connecting it to a fixed resistor with a voltage divider produces the possibility of using the oscillation of the voltage produced by mentioned hardware to be used as a source of output. Furthermore, this allows the implementation of commands based on the voltage output.
So now we're going to be talking about the software and hardware of this circuit that we designed and created. So for hardware, the parts that we had to use for this project were 2 wires, 2 LED lights, 3 resistors, and 1 resistor-thermistor. So those were all the parts that we had to use. That was the hardware of the project. And now for software, once we actually had the circuit already made and everything, we had to connect our MyDAC to the computer and open up LabVIEW, and that's where we did everything, all the code and everything behind the scenes. And what we did first is we opened up the assistant panel, and we had to convert the data from DDT, which is a dynamic data type, and add a waveform chart to that, so we could be able to see the data that we get, the data inputs, the thermistor,
the voltage produced and how it varies.
Yes.
Due to the
Yes, and we also had to add a while loop into the existing code that we had, so it could loop, and also a control to stop the loop. We also had to add a wait VI inside the while loop, and that was it. That was all that we had to do for software wise. And some of the challenges that we had during this project was it was very difficult for us to first try to figure out where this could be implemented. So it took us a while to get our heads wrapped around the idea of the thermistor, but we conquered it, and it helped us accelerate our project to go even faster and make the learning experience a lot more fun.
So the most interesting part that we found to be from this project was that how it was the relationship that was able through the hardware that was presented to us, which was the resistor. The relationship between the resistance and the temperature and how it varies and how they are connected to each other was very interesting to us, and the possibilities of using this information or this relationship and how you can implement it to be used with commands and data input and output and recording all sorts of data was very interesting, fascinating, exceptional for us.
And thank you for your time. We really enjoyed having y'all's attention. We wish we could answer all questions, but since this is a video presentation, I guess we can't.
But thank you for watching this, and have a great one.
Cut it.
Okay.